The standard telephone cable color code comes in this order. Just as I have arranged here, it comes as black, red, green, and yellow. But in a case where you are using a Cat6 network cable, you will need to use the blue and the orange pairs. And the arrangement is in such a way that the blue pair stands at the middle and it will be flanked by the orange pairs. So it becomes in this manner. So when you do the arrangement, it means that in place of the black, you would have used the striped orange. In place of the red, you would have used the blue, the solid blue. And in place of the green is the striped blue. And then in place of the yellow is the total orange color. So that becomes the matching. So that if you are not able to get a standard telephone cable, you can still use the Cat5 network cable, but you can just use the blue pair and the orange pair in place of the standard telephone cable for your installations.